Welcome to the EMB 210 equipment tutorial. This video will take you through the steps of assembling and using equipment needed for this course, including tripods, cameras, and lighting techniques. How to set up a tripod. Open up the legs of the tripod. Look for all the latches and locks. Don't force anything. Adjust the spreader so that it is completely depressed. These knobs lock the leg height. This is the head of the tripod. Adjust the arm for your comfort. Look for the pan lock. And the tilt lock. All tripods will have similar functions, but not identical ones. Some tripods have a bubble to balance with. Use the legs or the knob under the head to balance. Up here is the plate release and the plate. Turn the release to take out the plate. The plate attaches to the bottom of the camera with a standard sized screw. This is one of the two cameras used at NKU. It's the Panasonic 40. The other is the 150. Turn on your camera like so. Open up your screen. This is a touch screen, unlike the 150. This is the battery, which works for both the 40 and the 150. This is the battery indicator. This is your VU meter for audio levels. This shows that there's no card in the camera that's required to record. There are two menus, but mostly we just use the one marked menu. Record setup is important. This is where you change the format that you need to record with. You should stay consistent with whatever format you choose to use. On the side of the camera, there are several buttons that you should be familiar with. Down here is the SD card slot. Slide the button across. Don't force anything. Then put the card in here. Over here are some of the main buttons on the camera. This is white balance. You can click through it and see the results on the menu. You can hold it down to change the white balance. This is focus assist. It helps with zooming in on the subject to get a clearer focus. This is especially important with HD cameras. This is your iris to let in light. You can make it either manual or auto. It is a wheel as well as a button. This is the focus ring that you use to manually focus the camera. Some things to remember. To set the white balance, zoom in on something white and hold in the white balance button. Click through the white balance button for changing the color temperatures. To focus properly, zoom in on the eyes first. Use focus assist to get closer, then focus with the focus ring. Make sure, if the camera or your subject moves, to check and reset all of these. Using the ARRI lighting kit is very basic. Opening the kit, you will see 4 lights. With this demonstration, we will only be using one. Take out one light and one light stand. Unlock the legs and spread them out until the stand is fully extended. Lock it in place. Notice the silver attachment at the bottom of the light fixture. Connect it with the top of the light and tighten the lock. Open the barn doors one at a time. Barn doors are the black flaps covering the light bulb. After understanding how to set up the lighting equipment, it is important to understand how to use them. Basic lighting design is centered around a 3-lighting setup called 3-point lighting. This style uses a light from behind the camera called the key light that focuses on the subject. The second light is a light from the side called the fill light. This kills shadows cast by the key light. The third light is the light in the back of the subject called the backlight. This will create a full lighting effect for your shot.